Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigaria karibu sana nigora sechinga kia semesema ya kurwa Ensoko chinsa isatu asubutuko bwa gatano na rimo mutinyo gatano na rimo mwaka bw'ikirubere 20 na isano ne monche nkuru kwa Clinton ndigi karansa bono kenkumanya ya nyakiwe kurwa sechinsemo au asenjire bw'ikirano mesema ya kurwa Ensoko chinsa isatu ajakire bono. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria hase enchira yobo ikirano bono togo chakano roboti rokubwatia hase ensemo yabamenyi kurwase ebunge ya Nyaribari chache egotoka hase county ya Kisii banyariko babagwesoke na kurukubule gochase umwanasiasa hase rieta Geoffrey Monari kwanike unangwe sokiare na koria ekirogo kyo jumbe hase ensemeyo kagosanga negati yaba rikyamangana se umbakani yo meme yo mucho kyombu emargoba ya rero nigobona hanyare koba gagotebanga ni obekire hange bucha kwanikia nachi konyarkoba gakwesokia kurwandira ekirogekyo
omwesimi wa Geoffrey ekero twamurigereirie nandi twamororire muno yo bwate focus na bwate vision emechando twabere togwetera muna Abanyaribari chache twamororire nganabe a solution igobona bakimotwe amo n'Abanyaribari chache bonsi tokobaboria tokwana eriogi erimo eriogi lyogochenchia Nyaribari chache yaito eiranese arenge
igando chengo mwesimiwa nachiko tokonya esense moye chinyagitari tutete ko mwachikura egere ebintu ebyachiko tororera atokonye nonya na abana akabaleka basomete lakini batabwati kazi bona paka nole stogotara rero atogosunyuko tebanga Nyaribari narugo tebanga yaya enarugo sembirongalia
oyo no mogoko monene twanyoriro mwesimi igwaitu gaiga bono tutagete ko support tutasuke nonya no gusuka gwoka turi magega yaye bono ntu mwesimi igwa chibuti tobegete gokorigari chikura
toskabusyo mwanchumo rigereria eskuru yabamura ya Nyambaria nigonyarko bagi kubwata umurire margoba ya rero asomwarimu mone w'eskuru yo ainekia hegekorekyo na gotebune emeroberio yaineki wa kubwaterana n'ababwatani kurwa serikali county Nyamira na boigo abaibori kurimia umuriro yo egati abori bari baikara na senseme yo nigo baorokirio wo bwabo na bange babo gosaba banyariko bakwirana nka na aborokwa babo kero basabiro botorero banyariko babo kwiranirwa ende chiseme chichikogendra
Leta Rosary Nyaboke Moibolo Nyambaria senior high school goto ngomoro gwatu Nyambaria tutakorora abana ngondo moibolo bu grade 10 goto watakorora abana na kiba miete senge jimero yabe tu school gweta so tutakorora abana tutagwa abana beto genda borobo because botuko bana no botambe bakia babona mugaso then we are fearing of botuko na kibora era ka abana beto batabalema. Tension is very high. Pare kwanja une school bato gorira bato abana bali toraiga. Mobile raiga ai wo mwana yagende ne.
Asama leta Jeremiah, sorry. My parents in Nyambaria, I have a son in Form 4 Silver. It has been a devastating afternoon when we received the news that Nyambaria has been set, the studio have set Nyambaria school on fire. That is why we are all assembled here. One, I want to appreciate the community and the school for what they have done to contain the fire, and we've been informed our children are all okay. This evening, what we want, the chairman has addressed us, yes, and we appreciate that, but he's asking us to leave and wait tomorrow for the boys to be released from home. And all we are saying, those of us who are here, we need to go with our children.
Mwana nega Form 4 Alpha egotoigwa mubaso kana nororo bo mubiri lakini bo muliro lakini school te yet twaja honga nesto yekibanda yayi ono asenge njo bali muta yuji school je ayire kirase abo tore ko aninga yare ko jare kana to ende na abana aba kali tora twara bare muto bakwanire egere bairane bari
Tuguska busio mwancho muligera mokonyi bumure bwiki amagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i kagokwa na somwega bwe kanisa ya Adventist ase county ya Meru asaikira na ritkoria rero asariganirwa no yokabero mu waziri Peter Munya Musike Matiang'i niko bono haruru kubuli guchiase serikali kwenekia bunankobekere meroberio yokubwaterana na baraibonsi kurase sector au kwenekia sector echisemi yatware muchanda saba amatuka bwangoga nechiko bage kurungeiwa.
More you can do as a patriot to your country than to serve it and serve it honestly. We want to serve very sincerely. There are challenges in this country. As of this morning I was counting, over 15 schools are closed. We have very fundamental challenges. In fact, today, I would like to step out of the political thing and speak as a responsible parent and a responsible citizen and ask our president, the minister, and the people in the education sector. It's abundantly clear that you have a problem and you have a crisis. And there is no reason why to be arrogant and refuse to accept what everyone can see. Muko na shida. And the sector has been very badly mismanaged. Next week, when we have the retreat with my colleagues in the opposition, I'm going to plead with them that we now look for an opportunity for an all-parties conversation on the education sector in the country. Because you see, we can keep pointing fingers at the government and blaming the government and saying this and saying that. We look like irresponsible people. Our children are suffering, and we are spending time calling each other names, saying it's him who's wrong, it's how who has not done this, this one who has not done this. Personally, I would like to say sincerely, as a believer, that on that one issue, we can have whatever political differences we have or whatever it is, but on that one issue, and I hope His Excellency, our President, because we respect the Constitution and we have to respect the Constitution. William Ruto is our President under the law, and we have not suspended the Constitution. So I hope our President will see it as a genuine and sincere need for us to have an all-parties conversation on the education sector in the country. Because it's a crisis and it is going to blow up sooner than we think. Because when you see the number of kids we are losing in school, 21 burning to ashes, 16 dead, and as my brother says, principals are not able to run schools, they have no money, and the cost is going through the roof, 110,000. We look at those fee schedules, I look at them, I have relatives, we are educating people. I don't think there's anybody here who's not educating a child, even if they are not yours biologically. We're educating a lot of people, relatives and so on. I ask myself, who's going to pay a national school fee of 115,000?
Tuguska busio mwanchumo rigereria se oroboti ronde rokobwata rwichisemi bune nchiremo yogokine chisemi ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba nigo mujumbe Daniel Manduku wetera se kiganja kia NGCDF agachire birasi 15 ebibira chigusira chisembi na gokonya boroko kwegendere na masomo abo kakwani geteseni kigagia Nsoko TV wetera senchera yesimi Musike Manduku nigo begatebire emerobiro nero royo kwene kiakira award gwagachirire chiro yekerero era chigokonya abamenyi bensemeyo kwenyorera engere yabo nabange konya libagari gwakandira abana babe school fees. Ebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba igotoka ase county ya Kisii nigo erigetie kurikio mugano asogokinia sector chisemi ekero umuroberio humuyabo masomo origetie gwikiranirwa asobo ikerano iga Kenya nigo ekirenga kirekemo okoenekia amagacho ase chiskuru ao ngoikiranare ase birengo biribiganeiri erinde gokonya borokwa otwara chinga kichinyororo asokogenderia marorabo okonganya gochia somurubiri muyabo masomo OCBE nigo ochetena makongwaye kugania gokabaroro gokwagachwa ane mono hibirasi bya JSS iri wisanikia ubaro monge bwa borki wa sechiskuru au mujumbe wense mu bunge Nyaribari Masaba mushimi wa Daniel Manduku kaokwana negetoseni gi Nsoko TV wetera senchira yesimi nigo aene kiribuna ABCA gwetera sekigancha ya CDF nigo yagachire hibirasi 15 bibere ase 10 byaerire 5 bibere nigo bigendete kwagachwa ase biraikirana asa matukagocha
tuachakerete kwa chaji school cha primary tuwachaka kabika chikoroba asi chi school ikomena isana yule 17 schools tuanyare tu korangi komi chini jiganda na nendo bwate chikoroba chinde chigo chisana igaso mwako chamwe kuchaka otora nyore tuaga chire school emerongo 23 23 schools.
Amagacho hayegamaiya habwate chinyasi chinya oborabu ebirogo byekerero byogosomera negati ebinde binge ase skuru echitago eria Nyanturago eya Getacho Sosera Masimba negati echinde nigo birene kerengekemo komokonya omoroki ogotwara chinga kichinyororo gwikirene chiseme chiaye.
Each has 4 classrooms, modern desks, tile floors and perfect lighting.
Korende chisemi tari chiro chichoka chireri bagari tangani muske manduku nigo akoerera buna emeroberio yokoene kya chichiro nkwagacho chirekera eward asa atebire gwikira boniga eri aramasha amoneria Masimba niga magachabo aikiranire asa abaibori barache konyora ribaga ryokoene kya obonchereria bwabo eri konyora chibesa kirache kubakonya gusira chisemi cyabo
ndobwate nayo ichire betu akore kwagache yamba aramasha ni ndia Masimba ni chire ya gatatu ni takirigo chaka ari bodi ya susu nene ko bwatinde ko sinyora chiro chindebere yirinde tuirekere ward tuare at least chire
kuri skuru y'oboroso y'Ekitago eria Nyanturago wikeria Masimba amona Gisusu ebunge Nyaribari Masaba nigo erigetie kubeka oboroso bw'echisemi asegesa kukerao amone kegocha. Clinton Ndigi, Nsoko TV. Toska bose mwanchumo rigariase oroboti ronde rokubwatia umurwandria wikerogo kyubo jumbe bose umurwandria wikerogo kyubo jumbe asensemo yebunge yabo machoge chache county ya Kisii Zakari Onduso nigo aesokire na kuruko bode go chasa bagusiko ne kyangwe soke baraso bunge kwerikia ko baba kichikura rikomenta umubaro bwa kichikura kurwa sarongoro gusi ka ukwana se chinsemo cha machoge chache me county ya Kisii Onduso nigo bona ruko bode go chasa kesa kyumo busiko ne kyango cha kiramo chinga gichonsi ane chinga kechiga to uchobo choryo bonne umwako gocha
kinende bu machoge mumaete nga bintu mbire buya o machogo baboli amange na baragotebye no baboli gaiganga balenga banyorire basari na baragotebye nga bana korra basari asegweta nande bu machogoka asa bana batari konyora chi basari nande tokorigu kenga seti kero mwaka nga basari eitari boronge Onduso lendo yo Olympic yosomia abana era bintu bune bitako bikora ekogera goikansomia abana babantu onyango sombaka chintakana ngakinda aliye basari abana nabutegemeo letu la kesho naende einerega sitakere gokorwa kida ityo kwana yara mange abantu baito mumanyete muna mbalire teiga oyo Matiang'i bweka na Jubilee elineri chuma lya Matiang'i lya ikirega iga ono munandiri chuma lya Matiang'i goikantebe ngaki abagusito gende sabari yemo egoika 2027 lakini sabari ya mambia nderego chaka tobe tujiweke tayari yani tujitayarishe ntoliko chikoende sabari ya 27 onye ntole chika kurubono ntole tayarisha kurubono abana baitu bali abake bara babwate bibande naende babwate voters card ache koria la isireronga adu sabari tabwate noneke bande igo bono abantu nabange batakabwate ibande seita igo ngachikura cheitonjire seita chisalegete chinyinge sana bono adu sabadi oyo mosani oyone Jumatatu ndegete kumubwatie kebande maambi saa 2 igo ngano mokia kero montatu ale kebande na ndatu ale voters card na abantu baito bara inerese gito bwate abana baito baje gukora form 4 na barabuto babwate ibande bonsi pi abagusinto gende segibu na abantu abaliri tutabwate sila tuende vita tukiwa tayari igo tujitayarishe kuanzia sasa watoto wetu wawe tayari tufanye vita.
Toska bose mwancho morigeria mwabisomo na se wizara yobo chenu Mary Muthoni nigo atebire serikali yensi ya Kenya gwitira se wizara iyo nigo yabekire hemerobirio yokoene kyabunensi ya Kenya ngo itangire kuwa ase oboroire wa Ebola obogerete kwene kiwa se chinse echichietana ine ense ya Kenya buneria Uganda ka ukwana somo baga bwensi ya Kenya na Uganda litukoria rero kerekira na kuroto temerobiria gandata sense meyo niga atebire serikali nene amonerie county nigo yabwatukira maigerio gochasa bakuro obobwenia kwene kyabuna oborero bwo mbochikonya kwa gotangwa.
As at today we have 59 suspected cases. that we have taken their samples to the lab, and none of them is positive. All of them are negative. And we are praying that in Kenya, we will not have any positive case. We were at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We identified the gaps that were there, and we have been able to fix them. We have now come to Malaba, and Malaba is a very, very important border. Now that we are actually bordering Uganda, and Uganda, they already have confirmed cases. This border point, we have about 1,500 to 2,000 travelers that pass through here on a daily basis. If you look at the inbound trucks that come through, we have about 300 of them on a daily basis. So it's a very, very busy border. And because of the proximity to Uganda, we are very keen that we are at high risk. From the national government coming all to the county government, we have been able to enhance our surveillance. So our surveillance teams are working day and night to ensure that we can pick on spots or areas for response. We have also been able to strengthen our laboratory. You have heard, and we have said again and again, we have KEMRI Nairobi, KEMRI Kisumu. We have our national public health laboratories. We have a mobile laboratory that is able to test and see whether the sample has Ebola pathogens. Equally, we are having ongoing trainings for health.
Toska wasio mwanchomo rigaria monagari bwe bunge nene Moses Wetangula negatia baraibande ba gokoboke serikali ya Kenya kwanza ba sabire okubwatirana kwegati ya barai hoba chodre na bananchi kura sorongoro Western Kenya koenekia munango sira baada ya serikali ya raroro irinde hechikoenekia wikirania mirobire ya magendra se chinsemo au niko balenge ko yakwa nega asebaikira na somo igabugo sira babwatani vya sekta bodaboda kiuchumi ase bunge ya Tesonot.
Wanatembea Kenya mzima wakieka wa Kenya pamoja, wakiona kwamba kila Mkenya anainuliwa. Na kusema hapa Busia, Bwana Spika, hapa Busia kura yetu tulikuwa tunapigia Raila Amolo Odinga ya president. Lakini vile Raila Amolo Odinga alienda, alisema tubaki na William Samoei Ruto.
Wale wanapinga isolation center hawajui kitu wanafanya. Nyinyi mnakaa mipaka za Uganda na Kenya. Munahitaji muwe secured, muwe safe. Kama ugonjwa ikishuka, lazima Wakenya watibiwe na lazima wawe na isolation center ya kuchunga Wakenya. Wale wanatabiri ukabila na fujo, tuambie shetani afanye namna gani?
Tusaidie rais wetu. Nyinyi hapa Malaba mnajua kwa miaka 10 Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, rais wetu mstaafu, na yeye ndiye peke yake rais wetu wa zamani bado yuko hai. Alikanyaka hapa Malaba mara ngapi? Ruto amekuwa hapa mara ngapi kwa miaka 3? Amekuwa hapa kuzindua soko, tumekuwa na rally hapa town, tumekuja hapa Amagoro, tumekuwa kule Machakusi, tumekuwa pale Amukura, tumekuwa pale Alupe, tumekuwa pale Busia town, tumekuwa
kwa na somo igoyo boigo Moses Wetangula ni garuro kubode guchasa babwatani be sector bodaboda koenekyo botoeru chinga kichigari beraria ke siasa rigendete koenekyo mensi ya Kenya asate bire sector yo nigo yaberege komochua sama tukabwa ngoiga igo kuganya nkororo koenekyo botoeru asasa biro morembe igati ya babwatani be sector yo.
Leo tukisaidia vijana kwa boda. Nimekuwa kule Rwanda, kule Vihiga, na nikaambiwa ile shida vijana wa boda wanapata ni kuangaishwa na majambazi wa kuiba pikipiki. Saa zingine mnaangaishwa pia na walinda ulinzi wetu. Mimi nataka kuwashauri watu wetu wa ulinda ulinzi, OCPD ukiwa hapa, vijana wakiwa na shida kidogo kidogo wasaidie kutatua. Kwa sababu boda is a revolution in our rural transport. Mahali gari haiwezi kufika, boda inafika. Na inafika haraka kusafirisha mwananchi kusafirisha mizigo na kusaidiana na kila mtu. Ndiyo tumekuja hapa kuona ya kwamba boda wetu lazima tuwapike check. Muwe na nidhamu, na hii sako yenu isikuwe pesa ya kuchukua na kumalizia kwa wasichana. Iwe pesa ya kuchukua na kujiinua kibiashara. Iwe pesa ya kuchukua na kusomesha familia yenu. Hiyo pesa iwe ya kusaidia kujiinua, so that tomorrow is better than today. Today is better than yesterday in your lives. Na sisi tunaendelea kusukuma gurudumu yenu. Nyinyi vijana, nyinyi ndio tegemeo letu la kesho. Nasimama hapa kuwaomba na kuwarai, msitumiwe na wakora wa kisiasa. Mtu akija hapa akwambie chukua jiwe upige mwenzako, mwambie leta mtoto yako nichape. Kwa sababu wanasiasa watoto wao wako nyumbani, wako ng'ambo, wako kwingine. Lakini anakuambia wewe chukua jiwe, piga mwingine. Msifanye mambo kama hayo. Tunataka urafiki, tunataka upendano, na tunataka kujenga nchi yetu tukijua kila mtu ana haki ya kujivunia kuwa Mkenya.
Tukusikabuse mwanjumu waligaria serikali kaunti ya Machakos nsio baraiwayo mugavana wa Vinya Ndeti nigo yachakirio umuroperi obene bwo kubaikanga bamenyete no barema asobo kubakonya ebintu bibiri achiko bakonya kero bagwikira nimiroberi yabo ya creditco una chi wheelchair abego hamagoro hase bari babutogete mwishimi wa Ndeti nigo bono hatebire abana inchi kurase kaunti ya Machakos 50 nomo na batano batatu na boigo habande 50 na batano na batatu nigo barachie gukonyeka kurwa hisko ye kaunti yo asatebire ikomini go bono bagurukura se county chietana ine county yo ya Machakos.
Mkiangalia hata zile mashini sisi tuko nazo hapa, tumeambiwa na Mr. President hizi mashini haziwezi kupatikana mahali pengine Kenya. Ya hapa sasa sisi tutaanzisha factory ya kutengeneza miguu, ndio watu wetu wa Machakos wasaidike, na hata wale wengine outside Machakos wafanye nini, wasaidike. Mimi nina furaha sana hapa, niko na 51 beneficiaries who are getting miguu yao leo from Machakos County. 51 of them. We have 5 from Kitui. We have 6 from Nairobi. We have 3 from Makueni. We have 1 from Kajiado, 1 from Mandera, and 1 from Kilifi. Out of 68. Na najua hata kuna wengine hawajafanya nini, hawajakuja. So I want to assure you, hao hata 200 hawajapata watapata miguu. We are going to partner with Feasibility. As a county, we will invest mpaka watu wetu tuwapatie dignity. Hii ni dignity ya maisha. Ni kitu muhimu sana kupatia mtu dignity. You know, unaweza kuwa umekatwa mguu nafikiria maisha imeisha. Haijaisha bwana. Life is just beginning now. Director ameniuliza ni devolve hii. Director ameniuliza ni devolve hii kwa sub county. Nitaenda kwa level 4. Even if wakienda wapimiwe hapo, tunakuja tunatengeneza na tunapeleka wapi? Hapo. Tupeleke services closer to the people.
Mokonyibo mugavana se county ya Machakos Dr. Francis Mwangangi nigaruro kuboria guchia sabara ibage siasa kwenekya bunankorenda bare chimeme cyabo ekaroba kwenekya chinkwana semesangerekano asate bire chinkwana chimbe nigo kira chekorenta obobe asegati abananchi nakonekya guturbania homorembe kerensi ya Kenya gante kuyarigane bosio bachori bonne makogocha.
Lazima niseme viongozi tuheshimiane. As much as we are saying we respect each other, kwa sababu as leaders anything that comes out of your mouth inaenda kwa raia, you cannot recall it. Tafadhali tukue na maturity in what we are doing. Siasa tutaendelea kufanya, na at any given time we will have one governor. Itakuwa mbili, mmoja tu. Na mliamua 2022, hii ingine inakuja muamue na tuendelee. Ama namna gani? Sasa hii maneno tunakaa, nimesikia mtu amesema siasa imekuwa moto ukikuwa no, we don't need that. As a country, not even as a county, we need to respect each other and the principles of democracy. My party leader, wa Wiper Patriotic Front, God willing, next president of the Republic of Kenya, the 6th, Kalonzo Musyoka. Na so tumuombe huyo kiongozi, tumuombe si mtu wa kuvurugana. Tumuombe sana. Hapo mbele tunaenda. We need a country, we go back to development path. Mahali waliachia na rais wa 3 wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Mheshimiwa Mwai Kibaki. We need to pick this country from there and put it back on growth path. Mahali kila mtu kutakuwa na usalama, mahali unyakuaji, uporaji na wizi mwingi hakuna, vitu kama hizo. Ndio watu wetu tuweze kuendelea kama taifa. And also implementation of devolution. Hawa makasisi, viongozi wote, nyinyi hata wananchi mnajua, the best way to develop this country faster is through devolution. Haina njia ingine, lakini when we do real devolution, wananchi watapata maendeleo, barabara, kila kitu.
Na raia sobot ko bwarero mwanchumo rigereria mwere kwa mesema yakurwa ensoko chinsa isatumbu ya muna sogo sanga na intwe nyasaye ka wanchana nde tumira na sembeo hasiboni gatwaro butkobuya na gendra kweko kenemiro bide gendata sembeo yensoko TV asili bagaria Kelvin Mogoi na Felicius Kabendi chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi.